Hello, everyone. I have had some brain issues, and so that has caused me some problems for what I'm doing. So I've been working more and more each day, and every day I'm trying to make sure that it'll feel and it'll be understand about it. So I don't have all of it, but in a few, you know. So I just want you to know that I'm not going to, not forget this. And it's going to be a lot still to work. So, and I want all of you to still need that information that I can work some stuff to grade and put some stuff that some information that'll work for you, and then it's gonna work for me. And I'm gonna be a little stuck. But Joe, just know that it'll be better on, for this, and I'll be able to do this. And the guys and gals are coming to show me how to do it, and I'm having to work with the gals who does stuff that I can't understand it, of course. So they're going to continue to put me to work, work. So, and I want it to be done like today, but I have to go for more stuff. So, so don't forget me. Just know that I am sneaking around about what do I need to do, and how are you all, gonna need something for something that I could put out there, and so don't forget me. Don't forget yourselves, and everything will be better for yourselves and for me. And we will make it in a way in a where. So either way, you can grade them. So think about it. So any ideas that you would need, and I would probably also need some. And I'll figure, okay, when I did, okay, no, I shouldn't do this thing. So I'll continue to work on that too. So, so continue to think, and I will continue to think, and make sure that this will be better. So take care, and I will continue to take a look at it if it's needed, and if I need it, and things will get better. All right. Take care.